Why do projects stall even when you have a brilliant, energized team? It's usually not a lack of will, it's invisible friction. Successful leadership in this phase isn't about pushing harder, it's about clearing the path. As a middle manager, you need to be a snowplow, identifying and dismantling structural roadblocks like outdated policies or inefficient systems that demotivate your staff during this phase. Don't just look for the big obstacle, look for the micro friction. Sometimes the most effective thing you can do is eliminate a single redundant weekly report to free up bandwidth for the new initiative. Next, use nudge theory. Instead of a mandate that forces compliance, shape the environment or choice architecture so the new way of working becomes the path of least resistance. Try setting defaults, like making the new digital collaboration tool, for example, the homepage on every team member's browser. Finally, you must generate short team wins. In a long-term change, motivation will dip. Don't wait a year to celebrate bite-sized milestone and use visual scoreboard to show the needle moving. Tactical execution is about removing friction, not increasing pressure. Quick win assignment. Identify one friction point, a small annoying task in your new process, and find one way to nudge it today to make it easier for your team. Clear the path, and your team will follow.